Hello everyone, welcome back to the Italian Language Studio. In the previous lesson, we learned 10 basic Italian greetings. Now it's time to take the next step. Let's start speaking simple Italian conversations. In this video, you will learn 10 easy Italian sentences that you can use in real life. Don't worry, it's very simple, and we will learn together step by step, alright? Let's start. Let's begin with a very important question. When you meet someone new and want to know their name, how do we say "what is your name"? In Italian, we say
Come ti chiami?
Now repeat after me.
Come ti chiami?
You can use
Come ti chiami?
when you meet someone for the first time. It's one of the most common questions in Italian conversations. Number 2. Now let's learn how to answer that question. If someone asks you,
Come ti chiami?
how do you say "my name is"? In Italian, we say
Mi chiamo.
Now repeat after me.
Mi chiamo.
After,
Mi chiamo.
you can add your name, for example.
Mi chiamo Anna.
It's a simple and natural way to introduce yourself in Italian. Number 3. When you meet someone and want to know where they are from, how do we say "where are you from"? In Italian, we say
Di dove sei?
Now repeat after me.
Di dove sei?
This is a simple and natural question you can ask when starting a conversation with someone new. Number 4. Now let's learn how to answer that question. If someone asks you,
Di dove sei?
how do you say "I am from"? In Italian, we say
Io sono di.
Now repeat after me.
Io sono di.
It's a simple and natural way to tell someone where you are from when you are having a conversation. Great job so far. Let's learn number 5. When you want to ask someone's age, how do we say "how old are you"? In Italian, we say
Quanti anni hai?
Now repeat after me.
Quanti anni hai?
Very nice. It's a common question you can ask when you are getting to know someone better. Number 6. Now let's learn how to answer that question. If someone asks you,
Quanti anni hai?
how do you say "I am" years old in Italian, we say
Ho. Anni.
Now repeat after me.
Ho. Anni.
You can add your age after.
Ho.
For example,
Ho 10 anni.
it's a simple and natural way to tell your age in Italian. Number 7. When someone is speaking and you don't understand, how do we say "I don't understand" in Italian? We say
Non capisco.
Now repeat after me.
Non capisco.
You can use
Non capisco.
when something is not clear. It's very helpful when you are learning Italian or talking to someone new. Number 8. Now let's learn a very useful phrase when you don't hear something clearly. If someone is speaking too fast or you didn't understand, how do we say "can you repeat"? In Italian, we say
Puoi ripetere?
Now repeat after me.
Puoi ripetere?
You can use
Puoi ripetere?
when you want someone to say something again more clearly. It's very helpful for beginners in Italian conversations. Number 9. Now let's learn a very important polite word. When you ask for something in a polite way, how do we say "please" in Italian? We say
Per favore.
Now repeat after me.
Per favore.
You can use
Per favore.
when you ask for something politely. It makes your Italian sound more kind and respectful in everyday conversations. Great job so far. Now let's learn the last one for today. When you want to get someone's attention, pass through, or speak politely, how do we say "excuse me" in Italian? We say
Scusa.
Now repeat after me.
Scusa.
It's a very useful word you will hear and use all the time in everyday Italian. Amazing work today! In this lesson, you learn 10 useful Italian conversation phrases that you can start using in real life. Now you can introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and respond in basic Italian conversations. Don't worry if you don't remember everything right away. Just practice a little every day, and it will become easier and more natural over time. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.
Ciao.